Hello everyone. So today I am going to add another improvement to my climb beam system. So the first episode is moving my character upward like this. So detecting the upward point in the upward direction that I can hang on to and climbing onto that. So that's the first part of this wall moving on wall system, detecting the upper hanging point. Okay, so far in my system I can grab onto a ledge like this, but it cannot move further than that. So let's work on this part today. Let's open our character blueprint first. And now what I need is a way to detect the next point that I should grab onto when I press space with another key to specify the direction. So let's focus on moving upwards. No, let's first focus on moving upward. Okay, so this is check knobs while jumping. So while I'm on a wall, what should happen next? That's what I should work on now. So first let's work on the inputs, because I need to use inputs to get the event to search for next grabbing point. Alright, and I'm going to use jump key for this purpose. So while I'm on wall, I have this. And this part is I use this to identify a ledge in previous implementation. So I'll get rid of that part for now, and this is to detect ledge. Let me collapse this. So while I'm on wall, now I'm going to do a new part. How should I do this? I think I can do it in the same way that I do this check knobs. Right, let's collapse this to a macro. No, that won't work. Let's write that from the beginning. Like this. Similar to this, let's do a multi-sphere trace to identify a knob. Like this. Now I'll connect this on wall here. So I will connect this ledge detection part later, but for now I'm going to focus only on this identifying the next knob that I can grab onto. Check knob. Right. Let's enable debugging of this and see what we get first. see, we get the character can detect these two knobs. Alright, let's first focus on getting the knob that is closer and in the upward direction of the character. So if this is true, that means I have elements here. So I do have a function called get closest knob, and I'll add another input to this one. I'll call it no, not like this. Instead of here I'm using the character's location. I'll insert it as an input. So, and I'll call that intended location. Right, so yeah, now I need to update this method here. Right now, then get closest knob, and the array is this, and intended location should be yeah, for now let's get at location and add something along the same direction. That means something above the current level, let's say 100, and use it like this. Right, well, now that I have done this, yeah, then the same thing I have to do, which is I'm still on the wall. Yeah, I don't have to do any of these, and all I have to do is get hand offsets, and yeah, pretty much this part. This part, right, so for that I'll promote this part to a macro like this. I'll call this one hang on knob. Right, I'll call this one knob. Okay, right, now I can reuse this hang on knob macro here. Let's see, like this. Alright, shall we see what happens now? Well, nothing happened. Alright, maybe I'm getting the same location that I'm currently at for the closest knob. That should be the issue. Okay, to see that, Let's visualize it in some way. Let's see here. Instead of this, I'll use 300. Let's see if the result is same. Right, that's much better. Something happened at that point. Okay, see, something odd happened there, but that's alright. See what happened there. Let's go to toggle debug camera. Alright, I think I know what happens. I should here I do this trace from the actor's location to get the rotation that I should have. So for this, maybe instead of using that location, I think I should use something else. Let's modify this event a little bit. Here I will make this return the forward direction of this mesh also. So I'll modify this as the event. This event to return forward. Forward vector should be 4 in the type of vector and compile. Now here, yeah, now I'll get the forward vector like this. Okay. Now here I have the forward vector. So then instead of using this, I'll use that. And this like this, so that I think from this calculation I get some point under the hanging point and in front of the wall. Let's see if my calculation is correct or not. Okay, a little bit odd. No, that's not exactly what I expected. Yeah, I think I need to enable debug lines for this so that I can see what exactly going on. Wait, why didn't I get anything? Alright, a starting position should be this. This should be the starting position. and the ending position should be something like this. Oh, multiply this by a minus value. I think 300 would be enough, and this should be the ending point. Right, shall we see what happens? Okay, something happened. Let's see the debug line. Okay, it's here like that. Alright. Okay, I see the point. So now the problem is, I think from the forward vector I am getting not exactly what I thought. So here let's see, get up vector instead of forward. That seems correct. Yeah, that's correct. And something went wrong there. Let's check it again. At this point, big deal. If I use the I case for the legs, that would be alright. Okay, and so how do I get up from that point? So for that I need this ledge climbing part, detect ledge part. So if I don't get any knobs here, then I'll check for a ledge. I can do that right here. If it is a false, that means I don't have any ledge. No, that wouldn't work, because I will at least always have my current ledge, the current knob that I am hanging on to here as the closest knob. So therefore I need a way to detect that. So I think I can detect that using this hanging point. Yeah, so I'll promote this hanging point to a variable. I'll call it knob location. Alright, and here I'll do a check like this. Let's see. Before setting that, I will check if this one is equal to the knob location that I already have. And let's do a branch. Like this. If this is false, I should do that. If this is true, I'll add another output like this. I'll call that one no invalid, no nope. And just to be clear, I'll give another name here as well. Alright, now in this part, if there is no knob, where's the jump in? Okay, so if there is no knob, then I'll call this part. I think it should work. Let's see. No, it's not working. Shall we try debugging this? I just want to see whether that function is called or not when I press space. Now it's not called, so let's see inside this check knob. Where is it going? Okay, it's executed like that. Alright, now let's see inside here. Alright, I haven't connected this no knob to anywhere. So wait, where did I connect that? Okay, I need an output here, right, like this. Now it should work. Let's see. Alright, it is working, but not perfect. And I think I won't do that part. I won't cover that part in this episode because this has already taken more than 20 minutes. So I'll cover that part in the next episode. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below, and depending on the tier you join, you will have different privileges. So if you want to early access other third-person shooter series, you should join 5 or more tier. And if you want to access project files of this open world RPG project, you should join this tier or a tier above that level. And if you want to access both project files of shooter project and also the open world project, you should join this tier. And yeah, you can read that, it's all there. And about 20 members, 23 left here and 24 left here. Okay, and thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.